Looking for dynamic, in-person fair housing training that connects with your team on a deeper level? At the Fair Housing Institute, we bring decades of expertise directly to your location. Our live on-site training sessions are tailored to your team's needs, engaging, practical, and rooted in real-world scenarios. Your team will benefit from face-to-face interaction, live Q&A, and hands-on exercises that encourage group discussion and retention. It's more than training. It's a team-building, compliance-strengthening experience. Training topics can include fair housing basics, protected classes, reasonable accommodations, disability rights, harassment prevention, and other common pitfalls, all tailored to your staff's roles and challenges. Each session is led by seasoned fair housing attorney Leslie Tucker, who brings years of fair housing legal defense and training experience to every session. Let's bring fair housing training to your doorstep. Contact us today to schedule your in-person session and build compliance with confidence.